Welcome teacher, welcome to my tutorial. Let's know how to use the Google Forms. What for this what we have to do? We have to click on the Google Drive, or we can type here drive.google.com, then press enter. Okay, it will ask your Gmail ID and password. Those I have saved my Gmail ID and password, it will directly open. Okay, then you have to create your folder. Okay, you have to click on new folder. Okay, so you have to type in new folder name. Okay, suppose you are typing test 1. Okay, then click on create folder. Okay, so I have already done this. Okay, let's see. I have created the folder name for assessment 1. Okay, so as you can see here, I have created another 2 folders are there. Understood? So this is for I have created standard 4 and this is for standard 5. Okay, so uh, let me allow to see how I have created the Google Forms here. Okay, I have created for the subject enrichment test. Okay, so there are 2 forms I have created. Let's see how the forms are looking. So this forms is for standard 5 mathematics subject enrichment test. As you can see here, the students, they have already appeared. So 14 of our students are, they have already appeared. Okay, you can see this by clicking here. Okay, see the students names are appearing. Okay, you can whatever the field you have set, you can see it. Okay, the things is how we can add the forms. Okay, how we can add the forms. So this is one type of forms I have already added. See the things are there. This is for the mathematics test. Okay, understood? Let's know how to add this form. Okay, let me close these things and we'll back to here. Here. Okay, so what I will do, I will create another folder here, or okay, for the test, let me create a folder. Okay, what I have done, I have created this folder under this folder, means assessment 1. Then you have to double tap it. Okay, now this and nothing is there. So what we will do here, we'll just right click here in the blank space, or you can right click from here also. Okay, then right click, then go to more. Right, after right clicking, then click on more, then Google Forms. Okay, you can choose directly click by clicking Google Forms, or you can go from here from a template. Click here, then so many templates are there like worksheet, contact information, RSVP, party invites, personals. Okay, then go to directly to ed education. Okay, so here we can click blank quiz, ticket, assessment, okay, or worksheet. Understood or not? So you can choose any of these. Okay, let's choose blank quiz. Okay, so blank quiz will appear. So if you want to type here, suppose let me type lesson Academy Undergrad. Okay, in the description I will write assessment 1. Okay, then I will mention here class 5. Then I will mention time. Okay, or I will mention here duration 1 point, I will write 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay, then subject maths, then teacher name, okay. Then what I will type here, suppose we need the student name, so let's input the student name here, students name. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to choose the option from here. See, if you click here you can choose the option, so they will write this short answer. So there are different options are there: short answer, paragraphs, multiple choice, checkbox, drop down, file upload, linear scales, multiple choice grid. Okay, then tick box grid, date, time. So we will choose short answer. Okay, so after clicking here, then we have to follow some instructions. Means, see, the buttons is by default disabled. You have to enable this require. Means they have to enter their name. Without entering this section, they cannot move to the other section. Okay, description, response calibration. Okay, this is not required. Next, you can copy these things, or you can simply add questions. Okay, next, what is enter mobile number. Okay, so here what you type, choose short answer. See, this option will come. Okay, so what you have to do, just what you have to do, just click here. Okay, so uh, this is one type of validations are there. Okay, then click on here. Then what you have to do, then these are different fields are there. Means what is this, this is import questions. If you click here, see what will happen. So you can import from the previous forms or slides. Okay, then previously selected something you want to select from, you can select it. Okay, then what is this, add titles and descriptions. How we have added the titles and description like this, we can add another titles and descriptions here. Then you can add images from here, then you can add videos from here. If you click it, then you can add the YouTube links also. See the YouTube links, by viewing the YouTube links you answer the questions. Okay, then here another section will be added. See, this is for one section and this is for another section. Here you can write answer all questions. Okay, answer the following question. So you can write here question number 1, each questions are having 1 marks. Okay, then you can write whatever you want here. Okay, so click here add questions. Next, suppose you want to multiple choice. Okay. Uh, so let me type one question. Uh, Suppose this is your section A. So you will write. Let it be one. Suppose I will write here A. What is computer? Okay. So options are a electronic machine, a motor, related to an a okay, then TV, then a dot, like this. Then if you click here required, it will require, it will ask you this question is important. Okay, suppose this is for your what? This is for your short answer. This is for your what? Multiple choice. Okay, you can add the pictures here. You can add the pictures here. Next, what is there? Next, next section. Suppose I want to uh, let me insert some pictures. Okay. Let me insert some pictures. Upload, browse. Let me insert some pictures. Suppose suppose I want to see this. Okay. Wait. Click. Okay, see the pictures is added here. You can resize your pictures also. See, you can resize your pictures. If you click here, the three dots, you can align or you can change or you can remove. Suppose I want to center align. The center alignment is here. Okay, so if you choose here simple answer, so see all the options are gone. So what is here? It is A. Suppose it is B. Okay. Tell what are the parts of computer are shown in pictures. Okay. So the student will write here. Understood? And make it mandatory. Okay. Next. Next. See the star marks are coming or not. So this is mandatory. Okay. So here also star marks are coming. Star mark means this question is mandatory. Okay. Next we'll choose some checkbox type. Okay, like this. Uh, Suppose this is for C. Uh, what are the games you like most? Options are basketball, bad, badminton, then hockey, then cricket. Okay, and make it cricket. I'll click on this. So see, these are the options are there. Okay, so you can, if you click that one, if you click that one by mistakenly it was done, so go here and delete this one, it will remove. Okay, so delete this one, it will remove. So after this typing your question, you can able to see these questions, what you have done by clicking the I symbol. Okay, let me show what are these. Okay, this is your customizing theme. Customizing theme matlab, what you have to do, you have to click here. You can change the color, see the color are changing. Okay, you can see this, see color are changing or not, see color are changing. Okay, you can change this color, means appearance settings, you can change all this color. Okay, then you can change the font styles also. Okay, see the font styles already changed. See, these are the font style, you can change the font style. Understood? Okay, you can choose an image also for this header file. These are a lot of images are there. You can upload your image, you can add some photos. Okay, suppose you want to add these photos. Okay, you can add this photo. Okay, suppose you don't want to use this, you click this photograph. Okay, so then click on insert, it will insert here on the top. Okay, understood? Then click close this. Okay. After this, how your link was there, means how the link is there, how you can see and what you have done. Okay, so you just click on the preview button, means I button. You can easily see what is the thing. See, only this will appear to the students. Okay, whatever you have written, only this will appear. Suppose you click on next, it will not go until and unless you enter something. Suppose I will write my name. Okay, then my mobile number 123. Okay, suppose I will type here any text. What is showing? Must be a number. Okay, and if you type 123, it will accept. Then click on next. Then the question will come. Okay, see, multiple choice question. This is picture type questions. You have to answer here. These are what? Checkbox type questions. Okay, then after this you can submit. Okay, suppose I will choose what is computer as electronic machine. What is an electronic machine? Okay, and I will write what are the parts of computer science: CPU, comma, monitor, comma, mouse, comma, keyboard. Okay, I will write keyboard. Okay, next, basketball, badminton, cricket, like this. Then click on submit. Understood? So your response has been recorded. Automatically it will show. So you can click on view score also. Okay, so see, these are things. But how to disable these things after submitting these things, the students can able to see these things, yes or no. So better what you have to do, disable these things. How to disable all these things? See, one response has come. Okay, so these are the things. Let me uh, what okay, will go to settings. Okay, I will show the submission after the lessons. No, the field is not required. Then I will type here, thanks for appearing the test, and I will click here save. These are the things, these are the different settings are there. If you click on collect email address, uh, the students have to insert their email address, otherwise the forms will not open. Okay, then if you click on limit to one response, okay, they the forms will allow only single email id once. Okay, then click here, then click on save. Okay, now you can see, suppose I will type here triple x. Okay, then I will type triple one, then next. Okay, I will choose any of the options. I will type anything here. Okay, then I will choose anything and click on submit. That will come, thank you for appearing the test. Okay, and nothing will be coming here. See, yes or no? So this function will be very good. Then see, there are two responses are there now. Okay, understood or not? See, we can see like this. I have entered the data as my name, then triple S. All the things are there. Understood? Then click on questions view. You can choose the question whatever you want to see. See, and that according to this you can able to save this. Okay. Then individual. Okay. Suppose this test you have done, means for trial basis you have done, and you want to freshly count from 1, so you delete this response. Suppose I want to delete one response will deleted, then another response will delete. Okay, so now fresh is there, means you can clear all the response. Okay, understood or not? Then suppose you want to share the link to the student, what you have to do, go to your preview button, just copy this link, Control C, and then you just go to your WhatsApp groups and then share this link. Understood or not? So it is easy, very easy. Next, some more settings are there. Okay, uh, some more settings are there. Do you have any doubts in this? You can comment me. Okay, so these are the basic settings. Okay, thank you. Do you have any query? You can tell me.